Hello babes. Well, I'm Honey here and I'm from Malaysia. So yeah, please just ignore my language as English is not my mother tongue, so there might be lots of grammatical error and such. Okay, as for today's video, actually I've been wanting to try making this video for quite some time already. I've been watching unboxing of packages videos from YouTube, so yeah, this is my first attempt. I hope it goes well. Alright, so what do we have here? Well, I have just received a package from China actually. I bought a set of EXO's Nature Republic Standees. So I'm not sure whether this is original or not, because when I bought it from eBay, it shows that the seller sold this item quite a lot. Actually, I wonder if it's really original. How can the seller get so many in stock? Well, whatever it is, let's see what we have here. Okay, let's open it. Okay, alright. Okay, here goes. It's dented in here. I hope the items inside is good. Okay, let's just see. Okay. Oh hey. Alright. Okay. Oops. Okay, so we have Chen. Yay. Okay, Chen is my bias. Number one on the list. Okay, here's the base, the signature. He looks really handsome here. Hi, Chen. Okay, so now we have Min Hyung. Oops. Yay, Min Hyung. Actually, I have never liked his standee picture, but he's quite okay actually. Quite handsome here. I kinda regret for deciding to give this to my friend actually for her birthday. Maybe I should order another one for myself. Okay, then we have Liu Hand. Okay, Luhan is cute. So here you go. Alright. And then, oh, hi Lei. I have always liked this guy. He's very talented. Yeah, I love his guitar playing. So here, up close. Do you guys think this one is original? Yes, I'm not sure. There's no indication here. Okay, now mind. Next. Oh, our Galaxy Hyung, Chris. I just wish that he's still in EXO. Hope that he'll come back, even though that's almost impossible. Next one. Oh yay, my Kung Fu Panda kid. I really love this guy, Tao. He's just so cute. Okay, then we have Say Honey. Okay, I think I have to like make this video faster because it's already 5 minutes. Okay, then we have, is this Suho? Yeah, Suho Hyung. Sorry, I might mixed up the names because I've just get to know EXO like about 1 month, and yeah. Okay, I don't really like Suho's picture. Okay, then, oh, sorry, that was not Suho. This is who is it? Ah, it's Kai. I sincerely apologize to Kai's fan because I got mixed up of him and Suho. Yeah, this is Suho. Okay. Oh, Dio. Every time when I see him, his picture, I mean, his eyes urging me to like pokes and like this. Oh. Poking. And the girls. Baekhyun. I really love his voice. Apart from Chen. Chen is my number 1 bias and in the vocal line, so he's my second. Before, no, not before. I still love him, even though the feeling has like reduced a bit after that not scandal, after he begins to have a relationship with, you know, his girlfriend. Okay, so Chanyeol, I have started to like him even more after watching Roommate. He's a really good guy, so yay. Okay, let's try. Okay, which one should we open? Okay, let's go for Tao. Go for Tao. Okay. Yay. See. My panda. Actually, it's quite big actually. It's more than what I have expected, but compared to this one, it's quite small. So okay, here's the base. Let's pick up. Oh, okay. Let's push it. Yay! I've got my Kung Fu Panda Standee. Okay, I'm gonna open Chen, my 2 favorite. So Chen and Tao have to be together. Where's Chen? Yeah, here, Chen. Okay, let's open Chen now. Oops, now I got. Okay. Sorry, Tao, because I need to cut off your heat for a while. Okay. Yes. Chen. Okay, let's open Chen. Oops. Oh, sorry, please ignore the pillow. That's my pillow. Okay. Says Nature Republic, EXO-K, and yeah, Chen's signature. Okay, hope. It's not sticking. Okay, so yeah, there goes my 2 most favorite guy in EXO. Okay, Chen's Standee does not stand that well. Yay. So yeah, this video might be a bit off because this is my first time, so I love those two. Hey Chen, hey Tao, I'm gonna bring you to my office tomorrow so that you can be there with me like 9 hours per day. So oops, sorry. Yeah, that's all for now. Bye bye, thanks for watching.